Big news, Apple fans. Rumors are swirling that Apple might be replacing the iPhone 17 Pro Max with a brand new model called the iPhone 17 Ultra. But what does this mean and what can we expect? Let's dive in. According to a recent report, Apple is planning to shake up its lineup by introducing the iPhone 17 Ultra instead of the Pro Max model. This isn't the first time we've heard the Ultra name. Apple already uses it for the Apple Watch Ultra. So what could this mean for the iPhone? If the rumors are true, the iPhone 17 Ultra could be Apple's most advanced phone yet. Here's what we're hearing. A larger, brighter display with even thinner bezels. A next-gen camera system with improved zoom and low-light performance. A titanium frame similar to the Apple Watch Ultra for added durability. And possibly exclusive features like enhanced AI capabilities or even a periscope zoom lens. So why would Apple replace the Pro Max with an Ultra? It could be a branding move to differentiate its top-tier model even further. The Ultra name suggests something beyond Pro. Think ultimate performance, premium materials, and cutting-edge tech. It's a way for Apple to push the boundaries and justify a higher price point. For consumers, this could mean more choices, and possibly a bigger gap between the standard models and the Ultra. If you're someone who wants the absolute best, the Ultra might be worth the wait. But if you're happy with the Pro or standard models, you might not feel the need to upgrade. The iPhone 17 Ultra is expected to launch in fall 2025 alongside the rest of the iPhone 17 lineup. As for pricing, it could be even higher than the current Pro Max, potentially starting at $1,299 or more. But with those rumored features, it might just be worth it for the right buyer. While we'll have to wait for official confirmation from Apple, the idea of an iPhone 17 Ultra is definitely exciting. It could redefine what we expect from a flagship phone. What do you think? Would you upgrade to an Ultra model? Let me know in the comments. That's it for today's update. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more tech news and reviews. See you next time.